designed my own LEGO Speed Champion set, and I'm building it using a simple block that I already have. As I put the pieces together, I can feel this becoming one of the coolest LEGO builds ever, something even a real LEGO store would be proud to display. The best part? I bought the pieces for just $10, but once the build is complete, its design, detail, and uniqueness could easily make it worth $100. This isn't just a build, it's creativity, passion, and smart designing coming together to create something truly special. So right now, I've built the structure in a really clean and impressive way, and the best part is that I've already completed its most important section. Now, we're going to upgrade it even further and make it look super awesome. I've added tiny LEGO blocks to bring extra detail, texture, and personality to the build. Trust me, every little piece is making this creation look more exciting, more unique, and way cooler than before. And this is just the beginning. The final result is going to be something you've never seen in a $10 LEGO build.